Hello everyone. Today we have Osimoto here. We have today Haval Jolion, no starting condition, and we found that there is a problem with the fuel pump. So today I'm gonna speak about not about the fuel pump. Now we have to remove the fuel tank. So what we have to do is we have to push the vehicle. So we have a rotary shifter. So how we can put into neutral to push this vehicle, I just want to show you that how to do that one. So this is our Haval, and I switch on to ignition on. Today in Melbourne, I think it's a heavy hot day, around 32 Celsius. It's really hot. We have a document that saying how to move from parking to neutral. So I will read first just to make sure that everything is going in correct line. So P gear emergency unlock. To switch the gear when the engine cannot be started normally in the event of vehicle fault, switch the ignition switch to on. Depress the brake pedal and then switch the shifter to neutral N gear. If this is not possible, switch the shift lever from P gear to N neutral gear through the following unlocking procedure. So generally what we can do is we have to ignition on. I already here you can see that. So press the brake pedal. I'll show you the park. Now you can see that P. So I will rotate the rotary E shifter to neutral. So now it's not going. So not shifting to neutral, right? I'm rotating this one, but it's not. Still we have park. So we have to go to the second procedure. So it's not moving not moving from the park to neutral. So we have to go to the second procedure. Let me read the procedure first. Apply the parking brake, set ignition switch to on, depress the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal deeply. At the same time, pull the upshifting pedal shifter plus and the downshifting pedal shifter and hold for 5 seconds. Then release the pedal shifters. The vehicle will enter transmission P gear emergency unlocking mode. Depress the brake pedal and press the ignition switch at the same time. After hearing the starter running, depress the brake pedal again and switch the shifter from P gear to neutral. When the shifter and instrument information center display neutral gear, it indicates that the transmission is unlocked from P gear. Release the brake pedal after unlock and release the parking brake to move the vehicle. So this is the procedure. So what we have to do is I already ignition on, and I have to press both the brake and the accelerator pedals. So we have here pedal shifters. Let me show that. Yeah, this is minus, this is plus. So both pedal shifters we have to lift up. So now I have to crank the engine. Crank in the same time. You can see the P change to neutral. Right? That's it. Now ignition off. Still cranking, still cranking, still cranking, still cranking, still cranking. Yes, that's it. So now you can see it's neutral. So this is the procedure. Still we are applied parking brake. So once we ready to push this one in, so we will release the parking brake from here. So that's it. I think this will be helpful for you to do the same thing in the future. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the best.